Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix that problem on your error on Instagram. We will go to click here on settings, then we come here to settings window, and you just go down, you click here on apps, then you come to apps window, and here in this is window we will go to looking for TikTok app here, and this is window. We just go down here to find TikTok app, and we will click here on TikTok. Then we come to next window here like and this is window here like you say, and you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your TikTok app. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.